Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot. The drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The two will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone. With your support, this can be the start of something big. Thanks for watching.
The DreamScreen team is back, and we're thrilled to release the latest in smart TV lighting. We're turning on the awesome with our technology and have come a long way from our first Kickstarter campaign. We owe the crowdfunding community a huge thank you. Your feedback made DreamScreen bigger and better. Now, let's dive into DreamScreen. DreamScreen connects via HDMI and uses LEDs placed behind your TV that react to the color of what you're watching. The effect is amazing. It comes in 3 modes of enjoyment: video, music, and ambient lighting. Your TV is now bigger, brighter, and incredibly immersive. DreamScreen is proud to introduce a new line of products. Say goodbye to the splitter and HDMI switch, and say hello to the DreamScreen Hub, available in HD or 4K. We're hooking everything up. DreamScreen can now plug in 3 different HDMI video sources, every superhero needs an awesome sidekick, and that's just what we brought you. Introducing DreamScreen Sidekick. He's small but mighty with his high brightness LEDs, and pairs with your DreamScreen to offer surround lighting in your home or venue in all modes. To make all this possible, the team created a brand new app that easily connects and controls the different green screens and sidekicks on your network via Wi-Fi. We've added a great grouping and naming feature so you can enjoy Sidekick as a standalone device or paired with DreamScreen to create the ultimate home theater setup.
Let's talk about taking the perfect photo. First, compose the shot. Check the histogram, adjust the exposure, focus on your subject. Compute the hyperfocal distance to keep everything sharp, enable bracketing to get more dynamic range, add a neutral density filter, update the exposure, and then take the shot. We built a better way.
Today's DSLR and mirrorless cameras have amazing optics and sensors, but they do very little to actually help you take a good photo. Finding the right settings involves a series of complex techniques and formulas. As an engineer with a background in artificial intelligence, I knew I could build a tool to simplify the process. I wanted something that would let me focus on the composition, but would handle the details for me. So I created Arsenal, the world's first AI photography assistant.
With one tap, Arsenal finds settings to take the best photo possible. Arsenal's AI searches thousands of images in its database to suggest good settings. Next, it fine-tunes the suggestions by analyzing 18 different factors. Arsenal uses state-of-the-art machine learning to help you take a great photo in any condition. Many of the memorable shots you see today are captured by combining multiple exposures through a labor-intensive process called photo stacking. With Arsenal, you can do this in seconds. Capture all the details in scenes with high dynamic range, get everything in sharp focus, and create long exposures without buying expensive filters. Using these advanced techniques, Arsenal lets you go beyond the limitations of your camera's sensor or lens. For times when you want complete control, you can wirelessly adjust manual settings, see a live preview, and trigger the shutter, all from up to 100 feet away. Arsenal also improves the experience of reviewing photos in the field. You can flip through the photos on your camera, zoom in to check out details at full resolution, then share your favorite photos right from your phone. And finally, Arsenal makes it easy to capture stunning time lapses. It automatically adjusts the exposure in changing light, giving you a smooth day-to-night transition. You can even watch a high-def preview of your time-lapse while it's being taken. Whether you're a pro who has already mastered manual shooting, or you just bought your first DSLR, Arsenal can help take your photography to the next level. So before you replace your gear, try upgrading your technique with Arsenal.
Arsenal is already being tested in the field. Now, I need your help to ramp up production. By supporting our campaign today, you can be one of the first to get Arsenal. We've got exclusive rewards for our early backers and some awesome stretch goals in the works. I'm really excited about the photos I've been getting with Arsenal. I can't wait to share it with you and see all the amazing photos you'll create.
Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag, and now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you'll always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, bliss pink, happy blue, and mystic purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive, but with iRejoy you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.